So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not loading images on iPhone. So the first thing you want to check on is ensuring that you have a strong internet connection and that it is stable. So the reason why your Safari app may not show you pictures or loading up pictures is because of poor internet. So make sure that you have a stable and strong connection to do that. Uh, and one thing you need to also keep in mind is that you aren't using the low data mode. So just make sure that low data mode is disabled as well. So if the issue is still going on, you will need to go to Safari settings. So let's do that. So you will need to go to settings, go to your apps, find Safari. So if you go to the letter S, you can see here Safari, open it up. And from here, you will need to make sure that your JavaScript is enabled. So from Safari settings, you will need to locate that. And you can see under some of the setup as well, whether or not you have some extensions maybe prohibiting you from seeing pictures on certain sites. So through here, you can see some of the extensions that you can set up with your Safari app. But the main thing is to watch out for good connection and also that you have cellular uh, data low mode, that it's disabled so you don't use the low data mode for that, since it's going to make it a living hell for you to load an image. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.